I feel disappointed right now towards you.
I feel bad.
You feel bad?
I feel bad.
I don't believe you.
I do feel bad. I do feel bad. I feel bad.
I don't want to. I feel like we're excluding him again. I don't want you to feel excluded.
Oh, here's Gurvan.
I like when you...
I feel like I'm being judged.
I'm judging you?
I feel like I'm being judged.
No. I really like the way you put your hand towards me. I just wanted to take your hand. Yeah.
Oh, you want to take my hand?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm disappointed now. Oh, okay. I just went through it.
You're disappointed?
No, I thought you were going to drop
jealous.
it. I
feel jealous. I feel envious. I feel envious that you're able
Okay,
to
I
do
feel
this.
awkward.
I feel envious that you're able to do this. I'm not doing this.
I don't want to be.
I feel envious that I held back.
I feel
I feel
too much.
regret. I feel regret that I held back.
You feel this is too much?
I feel I'm not being heard. I feel envious that you're able to go up to him, and I was holding myself back. I feel regret.
I don't follow you when you see me.
I know you don't. I feel tense when you're up here.
Oh, you feel tense when I'm here?
Yes. I feel judged when you come up, when you're here.
I like that you're here.
You feel judged when I'm here?
I don't like that nobody heard me.
I'm listening to you. This whole time I was looking at you, so don't worry about being listened. I feel like I'm falling in love or something. Oh no,
You're falling in.
I really didn't like the way she looked at it. No. I feel rejected. I feel you're rejecting me.
You feel awkward.
Yes.
You're playing a game.
I'm playing a game. I'm not in love, yes, but but I'm not playing a game. I'm really.
I think you're funny.
You think I'm funny?
I'm amused.
You're amused.
I'm amused. I'm amused by Zakari. I'm amused by your honesty.
You're amused by
your honesty.
So
yeah.
my honesty makes you amused.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You're annoying me, but you're really attracting me, and now I feel I don't know.
This is awkward. I feel awkward.
You have like a sad expression in your eyes.
I have a sad expression?
Yeah, like a sad expression in your eyes.
Ooh.
I have a sad expression in
Getting
my
excited. So excited.
I'm
Again.
so frustrated.
You're
I'm
frustrated.
so frustrated. Yeah.
I'm confused.
No, not like fuck. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I wish we were just the two of us, and Gurvan maybe.
Wow.
No, because
Wow.
I like your
feel
look. I like.
Me too.
I feel
You're
rejected.
selfish.
I'm selfish.
You're
I'm
selfish.
including
I
too.
feel-
Like
I feel rejected.
yes,
You said that.
you're annoying me, guys. I find you.
I gave you a compliment that I felt amused that you were being honest, and now you were.
Also, I
feel rejected.
should be flattered that
I
you
just
said
feel-
you were
I just
amused
feel-
when I'm being honest.
No, I feel rejected. That's all.